Moil Public School, Sita Sawangi. Today we are going to revise from the diary of Anne Frank. So let's revise. From the diary of Anne Frank focuses more on the way how Annie, 13 years girl, survives there for 2 years, and she depicts all her experiences, events in a diary. While hiding for 2 years, she puts her ability into studying and writing, improving knowledge of politics and literature. The diary of Anne Frank is based on the background of World War II. This diary was gifted this diary was gifted by her father on her 13th birthday, which she calls with the name of Kitty. Anne Frank is a Jewish girl who is protecting herself during World War II to avoid the Nazis. The Nazis was whenever Nazis army people, whenever they get any Jewish, they used to put them into a concentration camp. Anne Frank was a Jewish girl who was protecting herself during World War II to avoid the Nazis. She shares her experiences and happenings and the tale during the period of darkness. Also, she conceals in the secret division on the Prinsengracht 263 in Amsterdam with 7 different people during World War II. Anne Frank finds it very difficult and strange for her to write a diary because it will be the first time she will be experiencing something like this. She feels that in the future no one is going to read about it, a young girl's experiences and happenings. Still, somehow, she puts these all thinking and thoughts away and writes what she feels in her diary. The writer feels lonely because she doesn't have any real friends to talk to. She wants someone as a friend at that time, but no one was there except her diary. Her diary was her best friend. She wants to express everything with her diary, but she indeed considers the diary as her friend and gives her diary a shape and the name Kitty. She feels like the paper has more capacity of observing the thoughts rather than the people who have problems with a low patience level. Sometimes people don't have that much patience as the paper has, and her thoughts. She expresses herself with that diary. So she considers that diary is the best platform for her where she can put her each and every feelings and she can shares everything with the diary because she considered that if she shares something with the people those who don't have a patience, so it would be better to share her experiences with the diary. So that Kitty was her best friend. Whatever she used to feel and whatever she what happened in the World War II, she used to write in her diary, and that diary became very much famous when she died after World War II. So this Annie, she every day she used to write her experiences, what she learned, how this concentrate in how how this Nazis were doing injustice with Jewish, and whenever these Nazis attacking to the Jewish people, how they exploited them and how they killed them in a concentration camp, and the bitter experiences of this she expressed in the form of her diary because she considered her diary as her best friend. So she continues means whenever she used to write a diary, she enjoyed the way and the time which he used to spend with diary. So students, this a diary of young Annie Frank focuses more on what she feels and how she expresses her ideas in the form of diary. So that is well depicted in this short story, and you know that this short story is taken from the world famous book A Diary of a Young Girl. So this is a short, we can extract, we can say that it is a short extract taken from that book. So this is given to you that you also should learn something from the diary. Okay student, we will see what happened in the next class. Thank you, have a happy day.